Now friends, after understanding point number 3, section 3 of this chapter 2, let's talk about another section which is data centers and cloud computing. What do we understand by the term data centers and cloud computing is something we are going to discuss in this section 2.4. Data center and cloud computing. IT infrastructure may be in-house or outsourced. What is this on-premise data center is something like in-house. We may also go for virtualization, means it's not in-house, not on-premise data center, but it's being maintained somewhere else, but virtually it is available to us. Okay, and the third option we have something related to cloud computing. One by one, let's understand what does it mean and how it works. One is a data center. What is a data center? Data center is a center where your entire data is being managed, stored, processed, retrieved, analyzed, and everything is being done at this level. This is something like data center. So, it's a large number of networked servers for storage, processing, management, distribution, archiving of data. So, everything is being done by this data center. And business is reliant upon data, this we know. Example, we know that if this data will not work, then the business will collapse. Okay. So, you have heard about the Uber, the car hiring service. In February 2014, their server went out, hour-long outage. It was not available. What happened? User flooded social media with complaints. People started disbelieving on user and they went for their competitors. Okay. Similarly, WhatsApp, everybody is using, we all are using. This happened in early 2014 that WhatsApp was not available for 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours it was not available, and what the world witnessed, that the competition line of Japan added 2 million new registered users within 24 hours of WhatsApp outage. It's a record. So now we understand if the data center is not working, if the services are not being made available to the customers or the users, then what may happen? Okay. So, to combat this data chaos, we must have data integration, data management. We must know how we in a position to do this. Okay. So, this data integration or data management can be done with the help of something known as unified data center. Unified data center is a solution of a company known as Cisco for unified platform. What is this unified data center? Cisco's single solution integrating computing, storage, networking, virtualization and management into a single platform. You are not supposed to run from pillar to post, from one server to another server, from one software to another server, but with the help of Cisco's this solution, you are in a position to manage into a single platform. This is something known as a unified solution or unified data center. Virtualization gives greater IT flexibility and cutting the costs. What is this virtualization? Let's understand. We'll be talking more about this virtualization at the end of this section. Virtualization is that you are not owner of every facility. Others are providing such facilities to you online. So, you will be using them as if you are using such facilities owned by you. Like everybody, each one of us is using one of the other email service. Let's talk about Google. We have Gmail service. What's happening? That everybody is using this Gmail account. Our inbox is being maintained by the Google. mails are being sent by Google, mails are being prepared with the help of Google, and a lot of other facilities which we need to have with our email are being provided by the Google. As if we own it. We don't even understand that everything is being done by Google. It's a Gmail which is providing this service to us. We assume that it's my email box. I can write, I can delete, I can manage. This is something like virtualization. Instant access to data anytime in a format you wish. Of course, in the case of Gmail, you can't change this format a lot, but still you have some flexibility to use the format. This is virtualization. It responds faster to changing data analytic need. I need to analyze the data. If it is not integrated, is not unified, then analysis will not happen, and that will be detrimental for the growth of my business. It also cuts complexity and cost. So, what is needed? In this unified data center, we need agility, a streamlined approach, and better insight. So, unified data center compared to traditional data integration and replication methods provides greater agility, a streamlined approach, and better insight for the user.